And third one is right. So we have to remember these three identities, and then whenever we get any function, so if these are direct ones, so then don't touch those don't touch those terms. Or if we have complicated equations or terms, so simplify them to sine and cos. Okay. And whenever you find roots meaning square roots, not the zeros. So rationalize that. Right. So these are the things that we have to remember. And whenever you have both LHS and RHS, these are complicated or complex terms. So simplify them both. So these are the few things that we have to remember, and other than that, it would be okay. Yeah. So we did this problem, right? Right. We did this problem, and then this is the third one, fourth one. So Sharma, it was Sharma's turn. This question I did, so it was Sharma's turn. Yes, Sharma, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have this third question. So what should we do first? What should we do first? We have to find out the value. What should we do first?
Open the brackets.
Yeah, within the brackets, what should we do? So remember those earlier points that I said. Whenever we get complex terms, so change it to sine and cos, right? Right, Cham.
Yes, sir.
So first we will change it to sine and cos. So let us change this. What is 1 by sec? Yes, 1 by sec is what? Ah, sec is what? In
1 by
terms,
cos A.
yeah, 1 by cos. So we have to write it in terms of sine and cos. What is tan A?
Sine by cos.
Yes, good. So this is what we have to write. Then it will become easier to solve. So cos A is in LCM, right? And this is 1 plus sine A, and then 1 minus sine A. So what is this identity? Or who got disconnected? Amar got disconnected. So what is this identity? 1 plus sine A, 1 minus sine A. What would be this?
1 square minus sine square A.
Yes. So 1 minus sine square. Right. And then this is cos A. So mm, do we know what is this?
Cos square A.
Yes, absolutely right. So this is cos square A divided by cos A. So this one cancels and we have cos. Good, good. Yeah, you are practicing. Okay, so any doubt, Ashit? Okay, please note it down, then it will be your turn. So fourth question is your turn. Yeah, whenever you guys have noted it down, just tell me. And Amar got disconnected. Did he join again? Noted, guys. Shaima and Hashim. Noted.
No, sir.
Hashim, what about you? So now let us erase this and Hashim, let us solve the next question. Okay. So the fourth one, right? 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square. So remember these are direct ones. So no need to change it in sign and cos. So what is 1 plus tan square a, Hashim? Yes, Hashim, what is 1 plus tan square? Just remember these three parts. So
Good evening,
Assalamu
sir.
good evening, Assalamu alaikum. You are very late, sir. What is happening, sir? You are still traveling.
Not traveling, home only, sir.
Oh, okay. So yeah,
Bad. It's bad. Little bad.
okay. Eating bread. So you are having your what evening snack?
No. I'm saying network bad.
Oh, bad network. I said, I thought eating bread. Okay, so yeah, we are doing this problem, and Hashit was doing this problem. So,
Yes, sir.
okay, yes, yes. And why did you join late this one?
It's a network problem.
Oh, network problem. Okay, okay. Okay, so then next question will be your turn. Okay,
Okay,
yeah. So, Hashit, what is 1 plus tan square?
Sir, 6 square by cos x.
Yeah, so 1 plus tan square is 6 square, right? And 1 plus cot x cot square is cos x square, right? And now we can change this into sine and cos, right? So sec square is what this one? What is sec is? Hmm? Oh, so this one is for this one. There's the next question. So Hashid, what is sec is?
Can I ask you something?
Yes, yes, this one. Yes,
So this is that 8.3 is from new NCRD.
yeah, this is new one. Ah, 23, 22. Yes.
Oh, okay. I'm using old books, so that's why it's different.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, because previously I was using the old one, but I got so many out of the syllabus Java exercises, so I discarded that. So that's why I'm using this new one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so sec square A is 1 by what? Sine square A, cos square A,
By 1 by sine square a.
sine square, right? So this one goes in the topmost numerator, this one goes in the denominator. So we have what? We have sine square A divided by cos square A. So this is what? Tan square. right? So this one. And what was this one? Oh, so this was cos. Yes, you guys, please note it down, and if you have any doubts, so please ask. Okay, so nobody is asking questions. So we don't have any doubt.
No, sir.
And I guess there is a doubt. So
Huh?
the doubt wants to come out, but mm, so you were saying something like that. So I thought you have
Thinking,
some
sir.
doubt. Yeah, where is Talha and where is Shoaib also? So
Sir, lost. Shame lost.
Shoaib lost. Where did he go?
I don't know, sir. He's lost.
No, sir, I haven't started this chapter. Plus, this chapter is not admitted in school, so I'm focusing on half yearly portion. Okay. Uh, yeah. So, okay, that is why you guys are not asking. So, in half yearly portion, Hashit, this chapter is not there in half yearly portion.
No, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. So, what is the chapter in your half yearly portion? Probability and circle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after this one, I will start probability and then we'll see which one we should start, the ninth one or the, because application of trigonometry is not there in everyone's. I guess wha- who was saying surface area and volumes? Rizwan, you were saying, right?
So, which chapter?
Surface area and volumes. So in
Um,
yeah, we'll see that. So what we'll do that we'll start probability, and probability is a very small chapter.
short
Then
chapter.
after,
Yes.
yeah, and then we'll start the circle. Okay, Hashit. So Hashit, when will your school reopen?
So next Sunday.
Next Sunday. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So okay, so in circles, whenever you get any doubts, please ask. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, so noted everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so there's one. You are late because this was supposed to be a Mars question, but you are late, so this question for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, uh, we have this cosec theta minus cot theta square, and this is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so we can simplify both, right?
Yes.
Or what we can do is that, yeah, so this is, or what we can do is that we can simplify this one, whichever one. So let us simplify the both. So let me write LHS. So this is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So what should we do first? Is one.
Um,
Yes. The first thing that I have told you guys that whenever we get a different function, so we change all the trigonometric functions to what?
A plus b into a
Sine.
minus b. Oh, no, no.
No. Sine and cos. Sine and cos. Right. Yeah. So we
Yes.
change every function to sine and cos. So what would be this cosec theta?
Um,
What is cosec theta?
Um,
In
1
sine
by
and cos, what is? Yes, yes.
1
1
by
by,
sec
no, this is cosec. So cosec is the reciprocal of which function?
sin
Sine, not sin.
sin. That's it. No, it spells sin, right?
And yeah. So sine theta. And this cot theta is what? In terms of sine and cos.
1
What
by
is
cos
1 by cos? Then what is sec theta?
uh, mm,
Okay, so to give you the hint, sine theta is tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So from there, what is cot theta?
uh, what's it?
Yes, what is cot theta? If tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, so what is cot theta?
Uh,
So cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, right?
1 by 10 tan.
Right or no? Yeah. So
Yes.
yeah. So cot theta is 1 by 10, which means reciprocal. So which is cos theta by sine. Correct? Understood? Is this clear,
Yes, sir.
Rizwan?
Okay.
So this is cos theta by sine. Okay. I guess that we will not, we need not to solve this one. Okay. So this is
Mm,
1 minus cos theta whole square. And this is sine square theta. Okay. So in the right hand side, the functions are in the form of what? In the right hand side, the functions are in the form of what?
fraction.
Fraction, but what is the trigonometric function that we have in the right hand side?
Cos.
Only cos, right? Only cos. We have only cos theta in the right hand side, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. But in the left hand side, we have this cos theta and this sine square theta. So
Mm,
we'll have to do what?
cancelling.
Yeah, we'll have to get rid of this sine theta, right? And we have to
Yes,
write it
sir.
in terms of cos theta. Okay, so let us do that. What is sine square? What is sine square theta in terms of cos theta? Using this identity. What is sine square theta?
Sin squared theta.
Yes, in terms of cos theta. What is that?
Uh,
From here, what would be the value of sine square theta?
1.
So sine square theta is 1.
Sin square plus cos theta 1. Yeah.
So if I want to calculate sine square theta on from this equation, what would be that?
Half.
Where is half coming? So this is sine square theta, right? This is cos
Yes,
square
sir.
theta equals to 1. So if I want to
Mm,
calculate sine square theta, so what would be that? Let me say in this way. If I have x plus y equals to 1, if I want to calculate x, so what would be x?
Uh, y minus y. 1 minus y.
1 minus y, right? So from here, what would be sine square theta?
1 minus cos squared theta.
Right? So this would be, So this is 1 minus cos square theta, right? So this is 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. So now this question is for you all, right? We have in the right hand side 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. And in the left hand side, we are getting 1 minus cos theta square, 1 minus cos square theta. So what should we do next? Izwan, Shaima, Amar, and Hashim.
We have to cancel it.
This question for you is for you all guys. Yeah, which one? How do we cancel?
Right side with left side.
Huh? Right? No, we are not doing anything in the right hand side. Okay, we are in the
Okay.
left hand side, correct? We cannot take the terms in here, right? Cross multiply and take terms here and there.
Okay.
So look at these terms, right? And from here, what we can do that we get this one. So you can see that 1 minus cos theta is there.
Yes, sir.
And but we have 2 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos theta, we have 2.
Yes.
This is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So which means that we have to cancel 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, right?
Take the root.
Take the root. So how can I take, if I take the root in here, then I'll have to take the root in here also, right? So look at the numerator, right? So numerator is matching, exactly matching, but there is a power 2, which means that there is an extra 1 minus cos theta. And we can only cancel that extra with the denominator. So there is something. Yes, anyone? Okay,
Sir, you're
if I
lagging,
write
sir.
like this, then you guys will see the
Sir, your voice is lagging.
answer.
Sir, your voice is lagging, sir.
I am lagging. Oh,
Mm,
my voice is now. Is it okay? Is it okay now?
yes, yes.
My
Yes, sir.
Wi-Fi is giving. Okay. Oh, okay. So now look at this part. Can you guess the answer now? Yes, guys.
1 minus cos square theta.
Yes, this is 1 square theta minus cos square theta. So what can I do about
One,
Ajit?
one of square will change to 1.
No, so I wrote 1 minus, so I wrote 1 as 1 square, right? I can write that. So what is, if I say identity, then you guys will see the answer. What is this identity?
A square minus b square.
So what can I do about that? If I have a square minus b square, so what I can
1
do about it?
minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta.
Okay, now you guys got the answer. Is this okay? So we had to cancel this guy, right? So now we have this guy. So this is I can write as good. So you guys have to think about the question. What we need to cancel out and what we need to keep, right? So this guy cancels out and we have 1 minus cos theta 1 by cos. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Okay, so please
Okay.
note it down. Yes, 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 is one. Yes, something.
No,
No.
nothing. It's a surprising answer.
Yeah, so we have to think that what term we will not touch and what is the term that we want to get, right? So
Mm,
this exercise is all about that, right?
okay. I didn't thought that you'll make that one square. That one
Yeah,
will become one square.
yeah. So yeah, that is what we have to find out, right? So
Yes. So can you scroll up?
okay, so oh, the you missed one question. So third question we did. So missed
Mm,
that. Yeah. So I will tell you about that, right? At some point later. So you join 5 minutes earlier. Tomorrow you join 5 minutes earlier. Then we'll discuss those two problems. Okay. Or
okay,
you can
inshallah.
also, inshallah. So your inshallah is very okay. Okay. So noted, everybody.
So writing, sir.
Oh, right. Right. Yeah, remember we have to only write all the terms in sine and cos and then simplify, right? So
Mm,
whenever you guys have noted it down, and we have only few questions. I don't know, Talha is not joining for so many days, so
mm,
I guess he is home and he has not any uh, Wi-Fi or
mm.
yes, noted, guys.
No, sir.
Okay, Hashid, Amar, and Shaima, noted. Okay, I guess everyone has noted. So now, Amar, this is your question. Okay. The next one is your question. So this second one, right? So we have cos A and then 1 plus sine A and then 1 plus sine A and then cos A and 2 sin. Oh, what is that? Yeah. So you can see that so there is a problem with your micro. So we can see that this is simplified, right? So we can only simplify this one. So let us take the LHS. Okay, so Amar, you tell me what should we do first? Because the first criteria is fulfilled. Changing it to sine and cos, so that is fulfilled. It is already in sine and cos. So what we should do? What should we do next? Yes.
Mm,
Yes.
so should we reciprocally?
No, no. So we cannot
Like,
take the reciprocal because we are taking only the left hand side. Whenever we have both the sides, then we can take reciprocal because whenever we are taking the reciprocal in one side, so we have to take the reciprocal in the other side as well. So we can't take the reciprocal when we are solving only the one side, right? Yeah. So first thing that we can do is that simplify, right? So whose homework is this? This is yeah. So first we can simplify this, right? So we can take the LCM first. Okay, correct, Ahmad.
yes.
Now what would be here? So we divide this by this. So what should be here in the numerator?
Okay. cos A plus 1 plus sin A.
No. We have taken the LCM, right? So 1 plus sin A cos A is the LCM. So first we will divide this with this. So we will get cos A. So this cos A will be multiplied with the numerator, right? So cos
Yes.
A into cos A. And then in here, what we will get?
Mm,
So 1 plus sin A is in there, but what would be the factor that we should multiply it with?
1 minus sin A.
1 minus sin A. So we divide this cos A by this. So
Yes.
cos A divided, so this is the factor, right? Just like the LCM that we do. So in here we will have this 1 plus sin. Correct.
Yes.
So this one is cos square A, and then this is 1 plus sin A whole square.
So we can't cancel it, right?
Which one? Which one? Which is cancelling?
With down with up.
Oh, so we have this multiplication sign, boss, and we have
Okay.
what is this guy doing here, right? We have this addition, right?
Adding. Mm,
Yeah. Whenever there are factors, 3 into 4 divided by 6 into 8. So these are factors. Then we can divide or multiply. But let's say if we have 3 plus 4 divide by 6 into 8, so we cannot divide, right? These are not factors. This whole one is a factor. Okay. So now we have this. What is the whole square identity, Amar?
Yes.
What is a plus b whole square?
So, uh, A square plus 2AB
Plus b square, right?
yeah.
Okay. So we have this one, right? And now, Amar, you tell me that can we use anything in here? Look at the numerator. So what we can do in the numerator? Yes. Can you find something which is we can use? Remember the identity.
Um,
Yes. So do we have something special in the numerator that we can use?
uh, sin square plus cos square.
Yes, absolutely right. Sin square A plus cos square A. Good, good. So this is we can use, right? So why are you hesitating, right? You have found the correct one. What is sin square A plus cos square A? Let us write that in here. Sin square A plus cos square A plus 1 plus 2 sin divided by 1 plus sin A and cos A. So sin square plus cos square A is what? Yes, Amar. What is sin square A plus cos square A?
Is 1.
1, right? So 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A. So this is right. Now this is 2. So 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin and we have this cos A, right? So what we can do here in the numerator?
Mhm.
Yes.
We can divide it by 2 sin A.
No. So this 2 is there, right? So in both the terms, 2 is there. So what we can do about this 2? Yes. What we can do about
Sine
2 is
square.
no. So 2 plus 2 sin A, which means that this 2 is in both the terms. So what we can do about this 2? Can we take it out common?
Mm, plus cos A.
Can we take 2 common?
Yeah.
So let us take 2 common. So this is 1 plus sin A. And then we have 1 plus sin A. And we have cos A. So now Rizwan is happy that we can divide, right? So now
Yeah, you,
everything everything in multiplication, right? So this cancels out. So 2 by cos A is what, Amar? Or 1 by cos A is what?
Mm,
Yes. 1 by cos A is what? So what is the oh, what is the reciprocal of cos A?
sec.
Sec, right? So 1 by cos A is sec. So 2 sec, which is the origin. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, everybody, clear?
so what?
Yes.
Shut it down. So what you do that last? Sir? What's that?
Yeah. So this is 2 by cos A, right? 2 by cos A. So I can
Okay.
write 2 1 by cos A. And what is 1 by cos A? This is 2 sec A, right? So that is what I did.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So clear, everyone? Ashit, Shaima, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you guys note it down, and then we'll do the next one. So next one is my turn, right?
Yes, sir.
Please note it down, guys. And if you guys have any questions, so please don't hesitate to ask. Okay. Ashit and Shaima, if you guys have any doubts, so please ask.
No, sir. No.
Yes. Whenever you guys want me to scroll down, you guys. Just should I scroll down the screen, guys?
Mm. So what's 1 by cos?
Yeah, 1 by cos is sec, right?
Okay.
Whenever you guys have completed noting down, so please tell. Noted, everybody.
Yes.
Hmm.
So I
Time
have
up.
one last doubt.
Yes, you can have multiple doubts. Why it is only
Okay. Okay. Saying that 2 plus 2 sin a by 1 plus sin a into cos a.
yes, yes.
Uh, um, how did you took that 2 common?
Yeah, because let's say if I have, let's say I have 4 plus 4x and
Mm,
I have 1 plus x. Okay. So
mm,
in these two terms, I can take 4 common, right?
like 4 square.
No, no, no. 4 plus 4x. So can I take 4 common?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So if I take 4 common, so this would be what? This would be what?
4 into x.
I have taken 4 common. So this would be 1.
Okay. 1. Okay, okay, okay.
And from 4x, I have taken 4 common. So this would be x.
Yes.
So 1 plus x. So that is why this one can.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. Thank you. Sir, you're stuck.
Okay. So yes, I. What is? Why am I lagging? What is happening?
Yes, sir, you're lagging, sir.
Why this is happening today? What is happening with the internet?
Mm,
Okay. So now let us move on to the next question, which is this one. So how many questions do we have? We have 10 questions. We have 7 minutes. Okay. So I guess tomorrow we will complete this chapter. So let us quickly do this third problem. Right. We have this tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. And we have to prove that this is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Okay. So which one we can simplify? The left one or the right one?
I guess both. Can we?
No, no, this is simplified, right? So
Yeah.
we let us simplify this addition.
Left hand side.
Right. So, and this is tan theta. And in the hint also they have just given this hint, right? So they have stated that change all the terms in terms of sine theta and cos theta. So tan theta is sine theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta by sine theta. And then we have this cos theta divided by sine theta and then 1 minus sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay. So now this can be
Mm,
simplified further. Right. So let us simplify that. Sine theta by cos theta divided by this is sine theta LCM. This is 1 sine theta minus cos theta. Okay, and then we have this cos theta by sine theta, and then we have this cos theta minus sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay, So these are the two things, and what we can do here. So we have this sine theta by cos theta and divided by, so this sine theta goes in the uppermost part, right?
Mm.
So this will become what? So this is sine square theta, right? And then we have this cos theta and then sine theta minus cos. And then what do we have? So then we have, oh, what is happening? What is that alarm? So this is
So,
cos,
Kazan.
oh, Azan timing. Okay. Okay, so now we have these two terms, right? So what we can do in here? Yeah, there is a trick to this question, right? So now we have
Mm,
to simplify this, we have to take the LCM, right?
yes, sir.
But you see that two of the terms are equal. So can you guys find out which are the two terms which are equal, but they have something different? So cos theta is there, sin theta is there. These are
Mm,
two different terms. But what we can say about sin theta minus cos
they are
theta,
equal.
they are equal.
Sorry, they are the same.
They are equal. No, well, what we can do about these two? So think about it and tell me.
Mm, mm,
Yes, Ashit, Shama, and Ramak. You guys also can tell what we can do about these two things. So let me write it here. We have this sine theta minus cos theta, and we have this cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, so what I can do with this so that I can make this equal to this, or write it in terms of this one. So think it that way. How can I write this one in terms of or with respect to this one? Okay, so let me give you guys one hint. So if I take,
so we can
yes, yes,
in that left side we can multiply the both that that sin square sin square theta by cos into theta by cos theta that into
okay,
sin theta by sin theta at the left side, and the right side we can multiply it by cos theta by cos theta. So yes, success.
pairs one. Okay, pairs. Yeah, so we cannot multiply. Yeah, we will
So yes,
multiply.
stuck. Okay.
I'm stuck, but this will complicate things further, right? So this will be become more complicated, right?
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So if I multiply this, you guys can think it this way. If I multiply this by minus divide by minus, okay. So this minus goes inside and this become minus. This is minus cos theta plus sine theta. So this is minus of sine theta minus cos theta. This is clear.
So can you explain?
Okay, so what we can do is that I multiply by minus, divide by minus, right?
Multiply minus.
Yes, yes. So what I can do, I
Okay.
can take minus, common, or think it this way. I multiply with minus, divide by minus. Okay.
Mm,
So
okay, sir.
whatever way you guys can take. If I take minus common, then this would be the answer. If I take multiply and divide minus, so this would be the answer.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
So there is only a
Mm,
change of only a change of minus sign, right? In
yes,
both
sir.
the terms. So I take minus common and then this would change to this one. Clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let us write that in here. So we have sine squared theta. Is this clear? Amar and Hashid and Shaima. Clear?
Yes.
So I have taken minus sign outside. So this is sine theta minus cos. Okay, so this becomes minus sign goes in here, and this is sine squared theta divided by cos theta, and this is cos squared theta, and this is sine theta, sine theta minus cos squared cos theta. So now we have this common terms, right? Now if we take the LCM, so what would be the LCM? LCM would be sine theta into cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. This would be the LCM. So first I divide with this, so this is divided and then this is the remaining term. So I will get sine squared theta into sine theta minus of cos squared theta into cos. So this is sine cube theta minus cos cube theta divided by sine theta cos theta and sine theta minus cos. So what is this one? Yeah, and Faz and who has just so Amira. Yes, Faz and Amira. Assalamu alaikum guys. So we will wait for others to join in the meanwhile. Yeah, you guys wait. Yes, what is this sine cube and cos cube? What is this identity?
A cube minus B cube.
So what is a cube minus b cube?
Uh, good, good.
Cube. So what is a minus? Yes, Harshit, Rizwan, Shaima, Amal, Faz, and Amina. You guys can also participate. So what is a cube minus b cube?
A cube minus B cube.
Yes. Oh, you have a Quran class now, Harshit. Okay, Harshit. Oh, yeah. So okay, so let us stop it here. Right.
Um,
So this is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Right.
yes,
So
yes.
we will discuss this question in the next class. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Right. Or you
Sir,
guys solve. Yes.
isn't it is it A cube minus A cube plus B cube formula?
A cube plus b cube is different. A cube plus b cube is a plus b and then a square minus ab plus c.
Oh, okay.
Right. Okay.
Okay,
So
yes.
we will stop it here and you guys solve this further and then because Hashid has to leave. Yeah, so we'll discuss this question. And in the meanwhile, you guys also solve this question. Okay. So
Yes.
yeah, tomorrow